Let us teach with your own teacher, Muhammad Ismail.
The fourth period has started. Let us, dear children, teach with Muhammad Ismail.
Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma baad. Today, Urdu of dairy will be discussed. If we translate word dairy from English to Persian, it will be translated with the word of tuzak, and tuzak is used in the Urdu language. If we translate from English to Arabic, it will be translated with the word of bayaz, and bayaz is also used in the Urdu language. If we translate this word from English to Urdu, it will be translated with the word of roznamchi. If we translate word bayaz with Urdu to English dictionary, then its English will be found handbook, notebook, daybook, and album, etc. If we translate word tuzak with Urdu to English dictionary, then its translation will be found from the dictionary word memory. Therefore, from English to English dictionary, dairy means notebook, handbook, daybook, album, and memory. And from English to Urdu, dairy means tuzak, bayaz, and roznamchi. I hope that my word, my position, and whatsoever I have said will be understood by you. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.